Good morning, YouTube. I unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel. In this morning's episode, we want to bring you guys something special. We found something in the woods. Yes, that's right, another find in the woods that we thought you guys might find interesting. We're alongside Highway 319 in Tifton, Georgia, and as you can see around me, there's nothing but woods. Right here in front of me in the ditch this morning, I'm going to show you guys something that I found about 3 days ago. I was passing by going down the road and it caught my eye. And it caught my eye because it's so beautiful and it's so bright, and there's really no reason for it to even be here in this spot that it's in, YouTube. But we're going to show you what we found this morning. We're actually going to go back home, grab our shovel, and we're going to grab a piece of this and plant it in our yard, so we'll have this colorful beauty in our yard next year. We might even grab both of them. There's 3 of them here. We might grab 2 and leave 1. We might grab them all, not sure. We want to show you what we found anyway, YouTube. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. Take a walk with me down into the edge of these here bushes. I'm going to show you guys what I found. Look at that, YouTube. Wild Gladiolus. Oh my God. These beauties are a deep red with yellow to orange in the center, if you can see that. And these are right along the side of the road. How they got here, I have no idea. But I do know where they're going. They're going to the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Look at that, YouTube. Isn't that just beautiful? We're gonna definitely go home, grab our shovel, and come back and get both of these beauties before the sun gets too high. And if you look, oh wow, they're everywhere, YouTube. Wow. There's another one here. Look at that. Another one there. Another one there. Where these beauties came, oh, they're all out here, YouTube. Wow, look. An entire family of gladiolus all along here. Now, where these beauties came from, I have no idea. There's even more over here, YouTube. So we're definitely gonna go home, grab our shovel, and come back and get at least these 2 girls that's already blooming, so we can get them in the ground in our yard and have these 2 beauties in our yard this year. Thanks for watching, and we'll give you come back with an update when we get these 2 beauties to the house. Thanks. All right, YouTube, I unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel. We actually made it back to our location here in Tifton, Georgia, with the 2 wild gladiolus that you guys that we informed you guys we were going to dig up out of the woods, and we're going to show you where we planted these gladiolus in our front yard and exactly how gorgeous they are at this point. Take a look at this, YouTube. Look at that beauty. Now, as you recall from the first part of this video, we dug these gladiolus up out of the woods off of Highway 319 here north here in Tifton, Georgia, and wow. I'll let you guys know right now there's approximately 15 to 20 more of these wild gladiolus down there alongside the road. But these were the only 2 that were already in bloom, and we grabbed these because they're already so colorful. We're so excited about this, YouTube. We know that next year this gladiolus will come back and it will be so thick. There will be several of these stalks to come up next year, and it'll be real thick, and we'll have these nice red gladiolus here in our front yard next year at the beginning of the spring. So again, YouTube, this is how I do it. This is how I drive along the roadsides here in the rural parts of Tifton, Georgia, and find these wild flowers. You saw where I got it from. You saw that there was nothing around them except woods, and look how gorgeous they look, YouTube. One over there and one here, YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you guys like what you see in this video, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button at the bottom below this video. And remember, YouTube, you can find beauties like this right along the side of the road if you actually pay attention while you drive. Thanks.